Yo, it's Hash Brown here. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm bored, so I'm making a video. So in the day of the life of Hash Brown, sort of, I don't know, I'm making this up as I go along. So anyway, hello, does my speaker work? Hello. I did a jigsaw. Yeah, I will show you a montage of the jigsaw as it progresses. Oh my god, so you're saying you had time to work on the jigsaw and not a video? Yeah. That's basically what's been happening. God, YouTube, what's your problem? You're my problem. That's his my problem. Oh god. Do you ever feel like you ever have the whole weight of the world on your shoulders? Oh, it looks like I have the whole world in my hands. Oh, and yeah, I've been making I made this all myself. Oh, my retard! If you can't tell, these are red panda ears and a red panda tail. Oh. Oh yeah, what else have I been doing? So I have been browsing onto YouTube at videos to do with star signs, like star sign vines. So my star sign is Pisces. Yeah, the two fish. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, the two fish. So you could say, oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. She's got me screaming, my. I don't know, something like that. That type of song. Yeah, I think at this point I better stop. Stop right now. Thank you very much. Okay, so was just watching EastEnders and there was this scene between Mick and Linda. I'm Mick Carter and here's your char grilled chicken. Char grilled chicken? But Mick, I didn't ask for char grilled chicken. I asked for flame grilled steak. Yeah, Linda, but what's the difference? Char grilled chicken and flamed grilled steak. They're both types of meat crisps. No, Mick, they're not the same thing. Char grilled chicken is nothing like flame